We get a lot of customers that ask us what we do here at Bobcat of Buffalo in the winter. Well, Bryce, give me your best impression of a super wacky inflatable arm man. Dylan and Chris, give me your best example of a super wacky inflatable arm man. It isn't that. What it is big jobs in our shop. I want to take you into the shop now with Bryce, our service manager, who has a number of jobs in the shop right now that require a lot of detail and a lot of attention. They're great winter projects, and I think you'll enjoy learning about them.
Here with S175 in our shop for some engine issues. We have the head gasket leaking, and we also have the rear mainsail leaking. Two issues that the customer wanted to attack during their slow season. This is something you want to take care of before it gets too deep. Here we have a T190. Customer stated machine would not move. Upon further diagnosis, we found the swash plate sensors on the bottom side of the pump is what was causing the issue. With the swash plate sensor being on the bottom side of the pump, the entire engine needs to be removed from the machine. Here we have an E55. This E55 is leaking at the front main seal. As you can see, to get to this front main seal, you need to take off the counterweight as well as the radiator, cooler, and fan. Here we have an S630 that came in for a carrier seal bearing reseal. Upon inspection, we have hydraulic oil going into the chain case. This job requires a factory trained tech that will do the job to spec. Here we have a T595. As you can see, the hydraulic pump and the engine are out of this machine. In this machine, we are replacing the gear pump. With replacing of the gear pump also comes with replacing the hydraulic pump. To get to the hydraulic pump, you need to take out the engine.
No one wants service, but everybody needs service. And everybody wants good service when they need it. What I recommend to you, the customer, is go through your fleet, go through your machines, check for bad belts, check for bad filters. Now's the time, get it in, we'll get the service done so that when you're on your uptime, you don't have downtime. This is Bobcat of Buffalo. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.